It's not every day you get to step aboard a vessel that has been in continuous service since the 1930s, but today that's exactly what we're going to do. This is the motor vessel Teal, a beautifully preserved passenger boat that has been cruising the waters of Lake Windermere since 1936. Nearly 90 years later, it's doing still exactly that, what it was built to do, carrying passengers along England's largest lake. And as we make our way from Ambleside down to Lakeside, we're not just taking in the scenery, but we're travelling through history. Motor vessel Teal was built in 1936 by Vickers Armstrong in Barrow-in-Furness, a shipyard better known for constructing naval vessels. The heritage shows in the build quality. This is a vessel designed to last. Unlike many historic boats that were adapted in later life, Teal was a purpose-built specifically for Windermere right from the start. She was constructed in sections, brought to Windermere and then put together locally. At around 125 feet long, 38 metres, with a beam of about 22 feet, Teal was designed to carry over 700 passengers in comfort. Even by today's standards, where she has been reduced down to 530 passengers, it's a substantial vessel for inland waters, offering plenty of space to move around and enjoy the views. Originally, motor vessel Teal was powered by steam, which was the standard for passenger vessels of its time. But in the 1950s it went under major change, being converted to diesel power. This made it more efficient, easier to operate, and significantly extended its working life. Today it runs on diesel, quiet, reliably, continuing its daily journey up and down the lake. What makes motor vessel Teal even more special is that it is never left Windermere. It was transported here, like I said, in sections and built locally. You might wonder, could it go to sea? The simple answer is no. Motor vessel Teal was designed specifically for inland waterways like Windermere. While it's more than capable of handling rough conditions on the lake, it doesn't have the structural design and safety features or certification needed for open sea travel. Coastal waters bring much harsher conditions, larger waves, stronger tides, and greater stress on the hull. Lake Windermere itself stretches about 10.5 miles from north to south. A full journey from Ambleside to Lakeside covers most of that distance, and motor vessel Teal can comfortably complete multiple trips in a single day. One of the key reasons motor vessel Teal is still here today is the ongoing maintenance and careful preservation. It remains part of the Windermere Lake Cruises fleet, where it continues to carry passengers just as it did nearly a century ago.